Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, and I'm pretty excited about this company. I previously made a video on them. I wasn't extremely bullish, but my viewpoint has changed. Some of you may be excited for that. I'm going to break down the charts, show the entries that I'm looking for. I see a lot of potential upside, especially in the country right now, because we are focusing on legalizing gambling. My name is Tyler Wilson, and I trade stocks every single day. If you want to get notifications and updates on every single stock that I'm trading, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a thumbs up. I appreciate all the love and support. Let's get started. First thing to notice is Joe Biden will be inaugurated this coming up week. Pretty big news. The blue wave is incoming. I see gambling being legalized all around the country. This is going to be very big, and I see the online gambling community really starting to grow, especially in America. And this is really an untapped market in a lot of states because it's not currently legal, and the taxes on it will be pretty hefty, and it will really boost the economy, especially in a state like New York, Oregon, California. California, I believe it is legal in some areas of it. I'm very excited about this emerging market, and Golden Nugget, honestly, I'm excited about. I think I was a little bit wrong. I think I was a little bit a skeptic about the stock overall and kind of worried about the hype behind the SPAC coming into it and the overall new growth of the company. Looking at the price right now to potential targets with MGM, Wyndham, and other stocks like Caesars, I think there's a lot of room to grow. So let's get right into the chart, break it down. Let's keep this video pretty short as well. So I spent a lot of time charting this video, and as I was looking at this yesterday with the group, the Patreon link also is down below if you're interested in the Discord and stuff like that. We had a really nice high with the news about gambling. DraftKings pin was popping up, and I didn't want to buy because I saw more of a dip coming. We actually got a 1, 2, 3, and now we're actually making more waves down, so almost like a 5-wave down. So this looks like it did fail, and I'm looking for a touch of the $20.70 to $21 flat. Now this will be my initial buy zone on this stock. I'm being kind of greedy here. This was my first buy zone, but I didn't like the reaction that we got here. We did pop up of the VWAP, did end up getting that drop down. So what I'm looking for is a clean break back down, maybe a retest, and then a shot down. I'll be buying pretty hefty at this level, some call options for the next 2 to 3 weeks. I will be targeting potentially new recent highs, maybe up to $23. I will be kind of conservative. I want to see the reaction we get to this level of the second time. So I'm expecting a quick 1, 2 coming down and then a push back up. The reaction that we get at this level will be very key. The way that I trade is solely based on reactions of supports and resistances. This is the safest way to trade options, in my opinion. It opens up yourself to a lot less risk because you're far less likely to dump and lose a lot of money, especially on these options, because once you start dumping, the value of your option premium will drop as well. But when you're buying very conservative at these supports, you're oftentimes not going to get a major drop down below them, and if you do, you get a retest back up to exit out of your position. This is just what I do, and this is just how I trade. GNOG has a lot of bullish momentum just overall as a sector in the industry. We're seeing DKNG and PIN make all-time highs. PIN is almost at $105, which is absolutely insane. It was around $60 less than 2 months ago. You know, it's doubling in value. DraftKings is soaring as well. We have the MLB coming up. NHL just started. NFL playoffs. Tons of more stuff coming out, and I just seeing it get more and more bullish. Online gambling is becoming more and more of a hot commodity, I guess, if you will. But yeah, I definitely see it growing. Very short stock analysis on this. This is the simplest terms I can break it down into. I do go more in depth in the group, but I don't want to give you guys a college class in a 5-minute YouTube video. I just want to inform you on exactly what I am doing. I'm very excited about GNOG. Similar to how I was excited about Fubo TV. Now, we saw a massive run on Fubo. We saw massive profits. There is no doubt in my mind that we're going to see massive profits on GNOG. I see the gaming industry doing very well, and I don't mean video games. Talking gambling, big boys. This is very incentivizing for these states to actually legalize, because we're going to need more income coming in after we're giving out all these stimulus packages, and we're going to need more income coming into these states. So this will be a great way to increase income and revenue for states overall. Consensus, very bullish. Looking to get call options between 21 and 21.50. That's my buy zone. That's going to wrap up this video, guys. If you got something out of this, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Leave a thumbs up. I appreciate all your love and support. And if you want to trade with me every single day, get text notifications about every single trade I'm taking when I'm getting in it, the Patreon link is down below. But feel free to just stay on YouTube. I love you guys. Namaste.